So for the newbie, okay, let me just start by introduce myself. My name is Emmanuel. I'm Emmanuel, but I'm known as Chuku. So I'll be taking you on this training for the 7 days, which I promise I will be doing. So I just want to share with you the things I know and the things that have been working for me, and also how I have been trading that are making me profit. And also maybe share with you one or two books you need to read. Also maybe few things you need to learn more after the class, after the whole class. So please stop writing on my screen. So Forex basically in short, Forex means foreign exchange, and it means it's the global market where people buy and sell currencies. So to the people that don't know maybe what Forex is a global market where you buy and sell currencies, just like let's say Euro USD, you um you have Euro, you want to exchange it to USD, you can do that in the global market. Let's say the Euro change. I don't know the exact maybe word I will use for it, but if it's something you want to read about, you can just type it on your Google. Maybe you read about it. But I know that most of you know that Forex is all about exchanging, buying and selling of currency. Maybe you have dollar, you want to exchange it to naira or something like that. So I want to also tell you something that after this whole session, I want to tell you what you need to know. You don't need to be fast about it. You just need to get the process right. So as a trader, once you get the knowledge as a trader, your job is to take good setups. If it's to write this down, you can just write it down, or you go back to it. I'm recording the class already. Your job as a trader is to take good setup and not focus on money. I know everyone wants to make money in Forex, you understand? I know. And also me, also you want to make money in the Forex market. But your job is to take only good setup and not focus on the money, because money is the byproduct of the good process. If you just focus on money and you are not following the process, you will end up losing your money. You won't make money, you end up losing your money. And if you focus on only money, you have the fear of missing out. Let's say you wake up in the morning, you just carry your laptop. Maybe you are used to trading maybe one or two pairs. Maybe that day you didn't get to see your setup. You didn't get to see what's it called, the kind of trade you take, and you just want to jump into the market by force. You know that if you don't follow your trading rules, or you don't follow the type of setup you trade, and you just say, let me just try this one, maybe to play out for me. Using that maybe alone, it may not play out for you. Please stop writing on my screen, please. Please. It may not play out for you the way you wanted it, and you may end up losing money to it. And the moment you start getting impatient too, it's the same thing as saying you having fear of missing out. Please, who is this one writing on my screen now? Please stop writing on my screen. You start getting impatient. If you start getting impatient, you also lose money. And also, as a trader, the moment you start getting greedy, let's say your target, maybe you are trading with a target, maybe you are targeting maybe the next zone, maybe um, let's say you are targeting 50 pips, and the price already moved 50 pips up, and you don't want to take profit anymore because you saw that market was trying to still move. I know it's good to set break or something, but the moment you start getting greedy and you are not following the rules you have set for yourself, you will also lose money to it. And also in trading, what you need to know is process over outcome. Understand? You have to follow the process. It's process over outcome. You have to focus on the pair, maybe the forex pair, or if you are trading indices, if you are trading synthetics, if you are trading crypto, whatever I'm trying to share with you here, they work on all of them. The way I trade works on both crypto pair, on indices, synthetics, and forex. They work all together, unless you are doing it wrong. If not, if you analyze it well, you follow the rules, you wait, you are patient with it, you always see that they will play out in any way. So you have to focus on the pair you are used to also. Let's say me now I'm focused, I only focus on USJPY and GBP and I trade gold too. Understand? This is one of the trade I analyzed today. But I was sleeping in the midnight when price got to my zone and played out. So I missed out. So um I trade USJPY, I trade GBP and I trade gold. Every other currency pair or any other pair that I analyze, I don't take them. I don't take them serious. I only take the ones I know that okay, these are the one I'm used to. Understand? You have to focus on the pair you are used to. Understand? You focus on the pair you are used to, and also follow the process and use good risk management. Whenever I want to trade, there are accounts I want to flip. Yes, I know how to flip accounts. I know how to trade with risk management. If I want to flip account, I know that okay, this money that I want to use to flip, I know that okay, the money is. I'm not thinking about keeping the money. I know that okay, if that one go, it goes. Understand? So that's when I want to flip. I'll have to stack a lot of position. But if I'm trading with risk management, I will know how to risk. I'll know what to risk, and my risk appetite should not be more than 10% on a trade. So I know what to risk. I won't risk more than what I will afford to lose. Also, if you use good risk management, you will make money. If you follow all the rules that you have set for yourself, you make money. So in the forex market, as we continue this class, the newbies, I know that you may not you'll be hearing a lot of new things like pips, things like B, break even, that's break even, um, SL, that was stop loss, TP, that was take profit, market structure shifts, MSS, and change of character, BOS. You'll be hearing me mentioning all this, you understand? You hear me mention all this, and I will explain them to you. But for these pips, you just need to know it. These pips, can I just do it tonight? No, you can just. I will refer you to check it out. Maybe I'll record a short video and I'll post it, so you can just follow that. That's not part of what we are here for. I just want to introduce you to um Forex and have some work with you, and also show you how to open your trading view. And some people that don't know how to open trading view, no, you will know how to open trading view. The only thing is setting it up the way I used to set my own. I don't need to have a lot of things on it. I just need, if not for maybe the class, I only use two tools. I only use Fibonacci and rectangle. I don't need to draw a lot of things on my charts. I just need two tools. So that's it. And also, as I was saying, the newbies, you will be hearing a lot of new things. Like pips now. Pips measure how much the price has moved. Price, um, let's say you are trying to buy from this place now to this place. The movement from year to year is pips. That's pips. That's just the basic way I can just say I can explain to you. The movement from here is pips in the market. So also pips calculation differs depending on the pair you are on. Like currency pair now, you is the last two number after the the first two number after the decimal point. The first number after the decimal point that you follow up that you use to calculate the pips. But for gold and BTC, they are different. For gold now, for gold, the movement from 3407 to 3408, that's 10 pips. The movement from 3407 to 3410, that's 30 pips. So just like that. And for BTC also is different approach. So that's it. Please, if you are right, please stop writing on the screen, please. For break even means when you are already in profit and you want to, maybe you already set a certain place that you are already willing to reach before. Maybe after the price has moved in your favor and it has already started going well for you, and you just want, maybe you don't want to watch the chart anymore to see what's going on. You want to like say, okay, maybe you are busy or you want to do something, you can just set break even. Break even means you are setting your trade either in profit or at the entry that you started taking the trade from. You understand? So you price won't reverse. Maybe if price reverse later, you are already protecting your capital. Price is not going back to take you out and give you loss, or yeah, it won't take you out to give you loss. It might close you in profit. That's if you set it at profit to take profit, like to take a little profit out of the market, or you set it at the entry, so it will give you 0 0, and your capital is still protected. Stop loss means, let's say you analyze a pair now and you want to risk some amount of money. If after your analysis you set your stop loss based on market structure, you don't set your stop loss based on how much you want to risk. How much you want to risk depend on the lot size you use combined with the pips. You don't just set stop loss. I see some people saying my trade must be 50 pips, my trade must be 10 pips stop loss, my trade must be 30 pips stop loss, your trade must not be 30 pips stop loss. It must not be 50 pips stop loss, it must not be 10 pips stop loss. You only trade based on market structure. You only put your stop loss based on market structure. You are not putting your stop loss based on how much you want to risk. How much you want to risk depend on the lot size you use. When you multiply by the stop loss, it will give you the amount of money you want to risk. You will not set your stop loss based on you want to lose this amount of money. You set up stop loss based on what you see on the chart. And also for TP, there are places where you want to see reversal in the market or your target. Like me now, when I first started out in trading, I will analyze. That was last year, September. I started learning very well. I will analyze my charts. Some people might be wondering that, okay, I just started and I've gone far. The thing is that I paid a lot of mentor to learn from them. I learn from different people, different top guys, and also, and I see that, okay, if I learn from this one, I see that this is working for me. I learn from this one to compare to see if what this one is teaching me is also what this one is teaching me. I compare and I combine everything I learned together, and it has been working for me. So that's what I'm just trying to like share with you what I have learned so far. And also for TP, when I first started out trading, the first person that taught me didn't tell me where to set TP. What he just taught us is just, okay, you analyze your stop loss here. After that, you aim for wherever you want to take your profits, or you take your profit based on the when you are good with it. So that was what he taught us then. But you don't take your profit based on wherever you want to take your profit or how okay you are with the profit you already had. You take your profit based on what you see on the chart. You understand? Let's say you are already in profit, like on this chart now. The reason why I set my TP here before was because on the 1 hour time frame, I was seeing price pulling back from this zone, but I didn't look at it. Sometimes price may just do all this and change character. Looking at this now, price will go back till it will take you out, maybe out of B or something. Instead of you to take your profit and take your full profit, and you'll be happy with it for that day, and you may just leave it. Sometimes you may see price reverse back to get back to your entry, instead of you taking your profit around this place. So that thing alone will affect your trading, what's it called, psychology, because you won't know. You'll be like, why didn't I take profit here? Why did I allow it to reverse back to my entry? You feel very bad at it. You feel very bad that, oh, maybe today is not my day. No, today the day was your day. The mistake you made is because you didn't know where you were supposed to put your TP. That's why price reversed back to take you out. Maybe take you out or come back to your entry and go and maybe do any other thing he wants to do. So the moment you learn how to trade, you also know how to you also learn how to set your TP, so you know where to take your profits. Understand? You learn to do that also. And also we have this market structure shifts. Market structure shift simply is simply, let's say, you are coming, let's say price is selling, maybe price was selling before. Let's say price was selling, giving us series of sell to the downside. Then immediately you see something like this happen, you know that price has changed direction. This is where you say, okay, there's market structure shift. So that's the meaning of this one: market structure shift or change of character. I can either use any of them. I can use market structure shift or I can use change of character. And also this break of structure, BOS, this break of structure, when price is going to one direction, when price is going towards a direction, if after a little pullback, this place will become support level. After this pullback, price will come back, take it out, then we call this place break of structure. Same thing, take it out for that break of structure. So now to the newbies, I want to quickly what's it called? I said we'll be creating your trading view. So is when you are using, so for the newbies, I would advise you, maybe if you don't have a laptop trading, I myself, I can use my phone, my small phone. I can use my Samsung to analyze, because the screen is a bit big. As um S24, I can use it to analyze. But I can use any other phone, like iPhone, any iPhone too. I can use that to analyze, not iPhone with smaller screen. You will need something maybe a little bit wider. But as a newbie, I would advise you, maybe if you have a laptop, it will be better, because it will be more simple and you have a bigger screen, so you can see what you are doing very well. And also, if you don't have a laptop, you can, maybe if you have an iPad, you can use that. You can get a small iPad, or you can use a laptop. But if if you want to use phone, me, I can use phone to analyze, because I already know what I'm doing. I can quickly look at my phone. If I don't see what I want to see on the chat, I'll just keep the phone. But as a newbie now, you need to like use your laptop to backtest, to see what has happened in the past from what I have taught you. You can't just say you open your phone and be scrolling back, scrolling back. It will be stressful for you, you understand? It will be stressful for you. You need maybe a little bit bigger screen, you understand? You need a bigger screen, understand? To maybe be able to enjoy what you are doing and also follow up very well, understand? So I want to I want you to, if you don't have this app on your phone, just download this Tradingview. You can search your Apple Play Store, your Play Store. Is it Play Store? Um, Apple Store, Play Store, yeah, it's Play Store. So you download it in your phone, yeah, and if you are using um, um, laptop, you download from Microsoft Store, or if you are using Apple laptop, there will be a way they call it, so you can download it from there. And after you download it, you will sign into it. Let me sign out this. But if you cannot download it, you can use your, what's it called? Your Chrome. You can search TradingView on Chrome, or but you need to download it to be better, because it won't be stressful. You can search TradingView on Chrome, and also try to create an account with it. So I want to create an account now on it now. I want to create an account so you can see from beginning. I want to create a new account on it. I just open this email. Um, so this is what you do. You will need to sign up from your Chrome first before any other thing. I'm trying to sign out my account. So I want to create a new account and set it up for you. So first of all, you create an account. You create an account. Um, this is the new email I created. This is what I hate about these people. What's this one? So I'm creating the account already, and also I will I will log into it now. I'm trying to verify from my phone. Then I will show you how I set up my trading view. So some people may be finding it difficult to set up their trading view by themselves because I've been getting a lot of questions from my team that, that have been finding that to set up their trading view. So now signing, I've already verified it. These people. I don't know why it's showing up this way. Okay, that's come up. So um, I'm going to the main trading view app now. I'll go to the main trading view app to continue from there. So this is the main trading view app now. Then I will grant access from. So now I will sign in with the browser. I'll grant access from there. So this is how it will look like when you install it on your phone. This is how, or your laptop. This is how it will look like. Where is this thing always for? So what you need to do is to first of all, this place is your watch list. This area is your watch list where you add the favorite pair you want to trade. You add them. Let me delete these ones. These are not the one we are trading. These are stocks and other stuff. So let's say after the whole thing and you are interested in trading few pairs, maybe the one you wish to trade. You click on this plus sign here. You come to the Forex market. If you like, you can use any of the. You can come to Forex like this and look for what's it called? You come to Forex. You can choose the source you like. Maybe you want the chart from Rwanda or FSCM or any other one, but I prefer using FSCM and Rwanda. I choose between the two of them. So let's say you are to choose Rwanda now. You can add Euro USD, add any as many as you want. The one you like trading, the one you are used to, you add them. So you see them right here. You see them right here. You see your watch list right here. So this is the place you add your time frame. So I normally use the daily, I use the 4 hours, I use the 1 hour, I use 30 minutes. And sorry, please, who is writing on my listing? I use 15 minutes and I use 5 minutes also. So you can add the time frame you like using. You'll be seeing them here. You can change it anytime you like. And these are the tools you need. These are the tools you need. These are the place you add your tools. So for you, you need trend line. You add trend line, you start it. You need horizontal rail. Also, you go to the next one. You add Fibonacci retracement. You need that, and you come to this place. You add the long position, short position for your buyers. And if you need to write anything, okay, this part, you can add the rectangle and the parts, understand? And for this part, if you need to write anything, you can add text. So as a newbie, you will need the text more because you need to be writing the things you are doing on the chart for you not to forget. So it will help you learn faster. Maybe you mark a place like this, like break of structure. You want to know if that place is break of structure. You just write it break of structure. Like this place now, you can say this change of character because price was buying before, then this pullback, price went back up. Then after that, after this group pullback, price came back, broke below it. Then you can say this place change of character. You can write it. Then any other thing that's happening along this line after this change of character, you can see this pullback, price went back up, then came down, breaking it. This is where you call break of structure. Then another break of structure, another break of structure, you can see. So now also, you click on this, what's it called? You right click here to delete this, what's it called? You can delete this, you remove it, you click on remove. you have removed that. And if you are the type that maybe you like setting your things differently, this is where you see your you click on setting, you right click, then you click on setting, you see anything you want to set here. If you want to change the color of your candle, you can change them here. So any other thing you want to set, you can set them by yourself. And if you want to do any information, you can read it throughout and see what you set. Also, if you want to hide this part of the chart, maybe you want to make your screen wider, you can click on this place, it will hide. If you want to click on any pair, you can click there back, it will show itself. So if you want to make your screen wider, you can click this place to be wide. So you can, these are the basic things you need to just do before our next class, because after tomorrow's class, I will, for the newbies, you have to set up this. After tomorrow's class, I will give you assignments. Maybe after the basic market structure, I will tell you, I will give you an assignment to help me to do something for me. So you have to do it on your chat and submit it in the on the group. So that's why I'm trying to like take my time to do all this, so you can set up your own account by yourself. So you won't be saying you haven't set up your account. You have to do that also. And also, I will be I will upload this video, so you everyone, maybe the people that couldn't join the class will join to watch the video. And also, if there is maybe if I'm talking too fast or talking too slow, you can let me know. And those people writing on my screen, please don't write on my screen. Please don't write on my screen. And also, there's one thing that someone told me this evening. Someone came to my DM, was telling me that someone entered into a DM to send out message that she doesn't like. Please don't enter anybody's DM. I don't advise that, please. It doesn't make sense. But you are just in the group to learn. You are not in the group to enter someone's DM. If you have business doing, you can post it online. Anybody can come to your DM. And also, what's it called? For the video I made on MT4, on how to use MT4 and MT5, someone was saying that the I didn't mark, maybe mark the place that they were supposed to click on. So I'll try to make another video, but I don't know how to make video like using phone, clicking on this place that okay. Maybe I'll learn how to do that to upload a new video. So the people writing on my screen, please stop writing on my screen. I don't know how to delete them. Please stop writing on my screen. It's not nice. So I will pause the recording, and if there's any question that you have